because as things do get harder, and it's only getting harder for everybody, but artists are always at the vanguard of the changing of the times. We're the canary in the coal mine of sorts of changes in the economy and changes in the world, because it's extra. It's a luxury item for people to have some extra dough to spend on a concert or a record, or come and do a show, and like that's extra stuff. There's a romantic way to look at it, be like it's a necessity. Yeah, it is, and art is a necessity, but art commerce is not a necessity. And they're kind of counter to one another.